that player OTP should get a room.
Yes, player OTP.
Player OTP would like to point out that we are in Apple Park and there are no rooms.
Yes, player Red Scare.
Player Red Scare would like to question: does player OTP making out with itself count as masturbating?
Player OTP.
Half a player OTP has to pee. Half a player OTP will be back.
Player OTP. Player OTP will now be known as player OTP over 2. Yes, player Rainbow Dash.
Player Invisible Friend is coming with player OTP.
Oh, okay, bye.
Yes, player Rainbow Dash.
Mr. Dictator, this player
I'm
would
sorry,
like
player
to
OTP over
find the
I'm
answer
awkwardly
to
taking
the
you
question
back with me.
that is, what would one player do in a
Okay,
room?
wait, can I borrow the sonic screwdriver for a second?
Red Scare would like to point out.
Can I borrow the sonic screwdriver for a
Masturbating?
second? I need to walk places with it.
Red Scare is awarded half a penance point for talking without being called upon. That's nobody.
This player would like to point out that a very good solution to the split personality disorder
Thank you.
is the splitting of the 2 personalities.
Ooh.
To optimize
Dictator.
the universe.
Mr.
Shakespeare's
Dictator
Willie.
wants to know how this will be carried out hypothetically. Yes, player.
Mr. Dictator, as player OTP's psychologist, psychiatrist, it is not advised.
Yes, player Pseudo.
Mr. Dictator, Pseudo would like to recommend that an hysterectomy carried out on player OTP.
Mr. Dictator approves over 9,000% of the use of the word hemispherectomy.
Red Scare declares color war and attacks everyone.
Yes, player OTP.
Player OTP. Who's wondering if the players that get on the camp with player OTP is happy that their name
Oh, yes.
was morning or worry. Player OTP is very Player OTP is confusing everyone else.
Perhaps Dr. Who's can shed some light on this situation. Dr. Who's.
Mr. Dictator, this player would like to inform the player previously known as OTP, or at least half of the player, so that the player is now named Shakespeare's Willie.
Yes, Shakespeare's Willie.
Half of Shakespeare's Willie. Never mind.
Yes, player 2.
Red Scare would like to request that OTP must, as part and parcel of, in order to help their psychosis, must speak consistently in unison in order to cause.
From now on, player formerly known as OTP and now known as Shakespeare's Willie, will attempt to speak no more than 3 words from each mouth at a time. Yes, player Shakespeare's Willie.
Mr. Dictator.
Mr. Dictator concurs vehemently. Yes, Morning.
Mr. Dictator, Morning would like to acknowledge that at least one half of Shakespeare's Willie alphabet. Therefore, it is a very bad idea to have Shakespeare's Willie attempt this.
Mr. Dictator thinks this might not apply, as Shakespeare's Willie does in fact have 2 heads. Yes, player nobody.
This player would like to suggest that player Shakespeare's Willie undergo a hemispherotomy to separate the two consciousnesses.
Conscious eye?
And thereby assist in the communication with the rest of the universe.
Mr. Dictator thinks this would make the entire universe like 2,000% less hilarious. Yes, player Pseudo.
Mr. Dictator, Pseudo would like to rephrase that and say that doing said action would make the universe 20% less cool.
I'm sure player formerly known as Rainbow Dash concurs with that statement. Player Shakespeare's really have to say on this matter. Player Shakespeare's Willie will receive 1 penance point for not talking as previously instructed.
What is the
Mr. Dictator wonders if this is a deep philosophical question. What is the Nevermind? Doctor Who?
Mr. Dictator, this player would like to know what is love.
Baby, don't hurt me.
Red Scared's excuse for speaking out of turn. Yes, morning.